What's up, my people? Welcome back, welcome back. Check this out. Short video. I'm showing you how you want to make some nice in oven barbecue chicken wings. So let me turn on the oven light. Check this out, my people. Look at it. Nice barbecue wings. See? Everything is in the mostly what's on it? Jamaican jerk spice. You have red chili pepper powder. You have cayenne pepper, all-purpose Maggi, right? And black pepper. And really comes out nice. Look at it. So now what we're gonna do, really quick and fast, right? I'm gonna show you guys my recipe that I use to make the sauce for this, right? So right here now we have this. This is beet juice. This is beet and carrot juice right there. Right? So we want a little bit of that. Don't want too much, right? And then we're gonna use some soy sauce. We're gonna put some ketchup. Alright, then we're gonna put some Cool 45, some beer in it. And trust me, people, this will come out real good. Nice, that's it. Right. I'm gonna stir that up. And stir that up now. Okay, I'm gonna give this a taste. Nice. Yeah. Nice, people. Really good. So now, what I want in it, this is what I want in it. We're gonna put a little bit of some Cool Runnings, jerk seasoning powder. And this is a very short video. Okay? It's about almost 8:30. Oh, no, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. Time change, so it looks darker. Look at that. Okay? You put that in, change the color, and you get nice and just perfect. Watch this now, people. That's what we're gonna do now. So, I'm gonna reach in my oven. Let's go into the oven. Check this out for a minute. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about, people. Chicken comes out good. But I'm still not done with it yet. Right? So I'm gonna put this, make sure we're gonna put it inside there, right? So we're gonna take them out, put them in this. My sauce that I make. So this sauce now is tangy, but yet it's not sweet because there's no sugar in it, right? I don't really use sugar in things. I don't even put sugar in my tea, much less. All right, I'm gonna take them up. I'm gonna take them out and put in that. Yeah, nice. Okay. One fall, but don't worry, that one that fall is not going to waste. No, no, no. It's my house. Nice. All right, my people. So now, what we're gonna do now? This bad boy now. So what we do? Nice. That's it. No, my people. I want to get the secret pepper in there. I'm gonna just bust it. Nice. Yeah, bust it up, and then put it in. I want to make sure. I'm using my one anyway, that's right. I just want it to open so I can mix it up. You want to seed everything, right? Well, I do. So now, short nudges. Nice. Nice. Look at that, my people. That's my chicken wings, man. You want to make chicken wings? Not even know the story I get them at. Alright. Now we're gonna put them back in the oven. Or 5 to 10 minutes. Cause we don't want a dry jerk chicken, right? We want a dry chicken nice, cooked, juicy and delicious. Look at that. So now I'm going to put it back in the oven. All right. All right, my people. So now we're gonna make it stay there for about, that's it. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then we'll come back. We'll show you the finished product, people. So just stay tuned. All right, my people. Welcome back. Now let your chicken away. Chicken. All right. Now take this bad boy out. Look at that, Steve. Look at my chicken. Yeah, man. Jerk chicken, I mean, you know, chicken wings, man. Look at that, my people. The sauce is nice and cooked down, barbecue down, right? The sauce that I use make it is 445 and beet juice, beet carrot juice with spinach and apple. So everything in this beet, right? Apple, spinach, carrot, and turmeric. So you know, so everything is over the chicken. And then a little bit of cold 45 cold beer, some pepper, and some jerk spice from Cool Runnings. And that's it. The real deal barbecue wings, man. In oven barbecue wings. Now, let me know what you think about that. See? Trust me. Really look good. Look at it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at that, my peeps. That and some cold beer go good together, don't it? Just like this. That is it right there. Some nice wing with a little bit of spice and a cold 45. Real deal. Alright, my people, bless up. Tell me what you think. Hot barbecue wings, in oven barbecue wings, yeah, with jerk spice, with Jamaican flavor touching it, see, to make it nicer. See? So, one love. Until the next one, peace. Look at that.